I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you are locked out of your Neteller account, don't worry, it's a common problem and there is a straightforward way to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Neteller login page. Go to the official Neteller website and click on the login section. This is where you will start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. This will guide you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Neteller account. Make sure it is the one you used to register. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Neteller with instructions to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you still can't access your account after these steps, contacting Neteller as customer support is your best bet. Good luck, and I hope you be back in your account soon.